are here in our online classroom. We want to animate our bitmoji. We have here our table, the bitmoji that will move, okay, the one that we prepared a while ago. So now let's start with the first movement. We're going to copy this one and paste it here in our, okay, so we're going to start this bar. Okay, so now let's align this one in the table. Okay, now we're going to duplicate this slide to create the next movement. Okay. Control C and paste. In the next slide, we're going to hold this, hold shift, then press left arrow 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then copy this slide again, and then hold shift 5 left arrow key. Okay, then repeat the process. Okay, see, next, copy it again, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, copy it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, copy it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, copy the slide again, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, copy the slide, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, copy the slide, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we need to create this bitmoji classroom 12 times. Okay, on the 13th slide, we're going to insert the next movement. We already have here, we're going to get our next movement, copy it here, paste it here, try to align. Okay, you need to remember where you stop. Okay, the position you stop with your movement of bitmoji. Okay, delete the first one and let's arrange it again back up. Okay, check the latter slide. We see the part of the feet here and this one. Okay, hold shift. Okay, that part. Now we're going to create 12 copy of this, but in the same manner as we did the first movement. Copy the slide, okay, paste, then hold shift and then 5 left arrow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, copy again the slide, hold shift, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just repeat the process. Okay, so we already are done with the second movement. See, we have here, okay, 12, okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so the next one, we're going to have the next movement here. Let's get the next bitmoji, copy it here. Okay, check the alignment of the bitmoji, the feet. Okay, so just repeat the process for this, copy, paste, so just repeat the process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have our fourth movement. Okay, just repeat the process. We're going to copy, paste, hold shift, 5 left arrow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Copy this slide, hold shift, 5 left click, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left arrow here. This one, need to arrange it. Okay, repeat the process. Our next movement, okay, the dog position, paste it again here, try to arrange, hold shift, okay, move it 5, copy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Right. The next movement. Okay, copy it here. Okay, the next movement. Copy it here. Okay, now, so we're going to put the chair, and we're ready to copy this one. Then, paste it here. Let's remove this picture. Okay, you're just going to put it on top of the picture. Now, that's not the end. We need to create a 12 copy of this slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then, 7, we're going to insert. Now, in this 7th slide of this frame, we're going to insert a shape callouts. Let's have this one. Just rotate if you want. Rotate it horizontally and make it a bit. And we can insert text box. Let's see. Hello. Welcome. And again, change it using our census fonts. Change our font style. Okay, so let's wait a bit. Let's find a good font for this. And change the size. The arrangement, center. Okay. So we're going to copy this slide for about 6. Copy, paste 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we already have this amount of slides. Okay, so you're thinking, how are we going to animate this bitmoji by just doing those slides? Okay, I'll show you, but before that we need to delete some of the excess slides that we're not going to use. Okay, all the slides here is the things that we're going to use. We are ready to animate our bitmoji. Open another window. Type talltweets.com. Okay, in this talltweets.com, this will help us animate our bitmoji. Scroll down. Here, you need to click select presentation. Okay, make sure that you know the name of your slides, the things that you're going to animate. So this one. So select. Now we already have this. Okay, so GIF, image, in pixels, seconds. The question is, where can we find the width in pixels? Go back to your slides, click File, then Page Setup. Okay, Custom, and then change it to pixels. So we have here 960 by 540. Let's go back here, type 960. I like to use 0.2 seconds, or you can play around this one. Have the slides in the correct order. You don't need to write anything here. So let's click Create GIF. Let's wait a bit. Okay, so now our bitmoji is created. Save, and now we have here in the folder, add another slide. Okay, for example this one. So just check things about background, choose image, browse in our downloads. Okay, so let's find this one, open, and we have it here, our bitmoji animated